I now give the floor to the representative of ECOWAS Commission, Ms. Siga Fatima Jagne, ECOWAS Commissioner for Social Affairs and Gender.
Good afternoon, Madam Chairperson, esteemed delegates, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure that the delegation of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS Commission, present a statement at the 6th session of the Global Platform for Disaster Reduction, and we also align ourselves to the Common African Position. The ECOWAS Commission is excited to have been invited and to be actively participating at this world-famous gathering of stakeholders committed to promoting disaster risk reduction and building resilience of communities and nations. As you are aware, the West Africa region have had its own share in the current global trends of natural and human-induced disasters over the last decades. Hydrological and climate-related hazards such as floods, coastal erosion and droughts, and complex emergencies such as conflicts and post-election violence are recurring decimals in our sub-region. They have led to serious destruction of basic infrastructure, lives and livelihoods, with its attendant poverty and food insecurity. The current situation in Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger within the Sahel region serves as a living example of the kind of humanitarian crisis situation currently affecting the ECOWAS sub-region. Madam Chairperson, distinguished delegates, the ECOWAS Commission has an important and pivotal role to play to provide regional leadership and commitment to support its member states in reducing the vulnerability of the West African people and communities to the negative impacts of climate change and human-induced disasters. It is in recognition of this strategic role that ECOWAS Commission plays that has recently made significant strides through review of strategic policy documents, building partnerships, and strategic alliances for capacity building and resource mobilization. To adequately position the Commission in this strategic role, working closely with its member states to make substantial progress in the implementation of the Sendai Framework for Disaster Reduction. Notable examples include the revision and update of the ECOWAS DRR Plan of Action 2009 to 2014 with the new Plan of Action 2015 to 2030 in line with the Sendai Framework 2015 to 2030 designed to enhance effective governance and management of disaster risk reduction. Signed grant agreement with the World Bank for implementation of the project on building disaster resilience to natural hazards in sub-Saharan African regions, countries and communities through the ACP EU-funded Natural Disaster Risk Reduction Program under the 10th EDF, which provides support to the ECOWAS member states in DRR capacity building and institutional strengthening customized to their needs. Developing and implementing a sub-regional flood management policy and strategy, seeing a development of a fully fledged disaster observatory with technical support and guidance from WASCAL, WMO, and AgriMet, and most importantly, support to mainstreaming gender considerations into disaster and climate risk management policies, plans, actions, and programs. We want to express our sincere appreciation and gratitude to the UNDRR for organizing this important international DRR forum, and also the government of Switzerland. Our special appreciation and gratitude is also extended to our international partners, in particular the European Union and the World Bank, for their financial and technical support in the design and implementation of this program. We look forward to more collaboration and partnerships with donors and partners in both the private and public sectors in our drive to improve and enhance the resilience of our member states and communities to the impact of natural and human-induced disasters. I thank you all for your kind attention.